and welcome to this InstantASP Spotlight video covering one of the most important features of the KB, yet one of the smallest and simplest, attachment types. As you can see from the main screen, we're already logged in as an admin user. So let's go to the admin CP and get started. Now, attachment types allows you to control the kind of attachments that can be uploaded and inserted into your KB, attached to knowledge base items or articles, on a file type basis. This is arranged on a tab per tab basis, meaning that each tab has its own list of allowed attachment types. This applies to the default tabs as well as to any custom tabs that you've chosen to create within your KB. So let's go down to the lower left and take a look at the knowledge base tab and take a look at its attachment type list. As you can see, this is a pretty full and comprehensive list of file types, varying icons and file extensions. This is the default list, if you've not modified yours of course, for any tab that you create in the custom tabs area, as is covered in our main video series. If you want to modify this list, you can remove types or add types. It's not very complicated. So let's have a look at how we would do that. We're going to go down to our Help Desk tab that we've created in our Help Desk scenario series of videos, which is stepping you through step by step how to create a Help Desk scenario using InstantKB 2.0. So let's go into attachment types for the Help Desk tab. And you'll notice that we've got BMP, doc, GIF, HTML, JPEG, PDF, PNG, and TXT. These are all text file and image file types that allow people to just upload supplemental information to their help desk issues. You'll notice a discrepancy at the bottom in the form of a .js file. That's a JavaScript file. This isn't part of our help desk scenario, so let's remove it. We do this simply by selecting the checkbox next to the file type. Now you will notice that there's a little checkbox at the top. If you select this, it selects and deselects all. This will help you if you wanted to purge the entire default list and then just populate it with the attachment types, or you wanted to ban all attachment types from a specific tab. In our case, we just want to remove JS. So what we're going to do now is go to the With Selected drop-down, select Delete, and press Go. And then all of a sudden, the KB confirms that that type has been deleted. Now we're going to add a new attachment type, so we go to the upper right corner and select Add Attachment Type. I want to add .zip, and I'll select an icon. We have a convenient icon for any kind of archive or zip file, and select Create Attachment Type. You'll now see that .zip has been added to the bottom of the list. Zips are actually really useful. They can contain executables or potentially malicious script files, so it's a good idea that if you want people to upload executables, scripts, anything like that, then it's not a bad idea to actually allow zip files and then request that those file types be attached in the form of zip. Of course, in knowledge-based scenarios, there are all kinds of setups that would require direct uploading of script files or executables, so it's on an administrator's choice basis. So what about editing types? Well, you just really select the Edit Type button. So if I wanted to change JPEGs, and I wanted this to become a PSD, for instance, I can just change the extension to .psd, select a new icon for it. I'm going to go with this one here, and save the attachment type. Lo and behold, JPEG has changed, and PSD is now on the allowed file types. Do remember that if an attachment type is not specified for the specific tab somebody is trying to edit, then they will not be able to upload a file of that type into the knowledge base via that tab. It's important to note that if we just take a look, that each tab has its own attachment type screen, and this has to be set on a tab by tab basis. So that's attachment types covered in full. I hope you found the feature spotlight useful, and next time hopefully something else interesting. Until then, bye bye.